Current Affairs, August 25, 2026. Which act was signed into law by President Draupadi Murmu on August 17, 2026? The answer is option B, Taxation and Other Laws Act 2026. When did President Draupadi Murmu give assent to the new laws? The answer is option C, August 17, 2026. The Payment and Settlement Systems Act 2026 primarily gives the central government statutory power to modify which regime? The answer is option B, zero MDR regime. What is the current merchant discount rate charged on UPI and RuPay debit card transactions? The answer is option A, 0%. Under the Payment and Settlement Systems Act 2026, who can specify which electronic payment modes or merchant categories may attract fees? The answer is option C, central government. What does NPCI stand for? Answer is option A, National Payments Corporation of India. How many teachers were selected for the National Teachers Award 2026? The answer is option C, 48. What is the total outlay of the mobile phone manufacturing scheme? The answer is option B, 62,500 crore rupees. The mobile phone manufacturing scheme will be operational from which period? The answer is option B, financial year 2026 to 27 to financial year 2030 to 31. The MPMS is designed to succeed which previous scheme? The answer is option C, Production Linked Incentive Scheme. The MPMS aims to create which of the following as part of its strategy? The answer is option A, National Champion Indian Brands. What is the name of the national level hackathon launched by the Territorial Army in 2026? The answer is option B, Terrier CyberQuest 2026. The Territorial Army conducted Terrier CyberQuest 2026 in collaboration with which organization? The answer is option B, Cyber Peace. What was the name of the longest ever freight train operated by the Northeast Railway? Answer is option C, Awadh Mahashakti. How many wagons were included in the Awadh Mahashakti freight train? The answer is option A, 129. The Awadh Mahashakti freight train ran between which two places? The answer is option B, Gonda and Sitapur. Approximately how far did the Awadh Mahashakti freight train travel? The answer is option C, 160 kilometers. Which division of the Northeastern Railway managed the operation of Awadh Mahashakti? The answer is option C, Lucknow division. What is the value of the fund announced by Uttar Pradesh and Yamanashi Prefecture for MSMEs? The answer is option C, rupees 600 crore. The 600 crore rupees fund is specifically aimed at supporting MSMEs from which Japanese prefecture? The answer is Yamanashi. Where was the UP Japan Investment Meet 2026 held? The answer is option B, Lucknow. Which project will use the research from IIT Kanpur and IIT BHU? The answer is option B, Green Hydrogen Pilot Project. The tourism agreement between Uttar Pradesh and Yamanashi aims to promote which circuit among Japanese tourists? The answer is option B, Buddhist circuit. What is the name of the fastest known star in the Milky Way? The answer is option B, S301. What is the peak speed of S301? The answer is option C, 25,000 km per second. S301 orbits which supermassive black hole? The answer is option B, Sagittarius A star. Approximately what percentage of the speed of light does S301 reach? The answer is option C, 8%. Which instrument was used by astronomers to observe S301? The answer is option B, Very Large Telescope Interferometers. Who became the first French woman to perform a spacewalk? The answer is option B, Sophie Adenaude. Who accompanied Sophie Adenaude during the spacewalk? The answer is option A, Anil Menon.